Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide, and we are starting a new series on APM server command line argument. Okay, as a part of this series, in this video you will see to start APM server by command line, and next one is a list of arguments used for information retrieval. Okay, it looks very simple, but it is very useful information when we are working our daily automation activity. Okay, and if you know in this information, it will help us to do lot of other activities in APM. Okay, so I request you please watch this video till the end, and then you can understand why this video is so important and must watch. Okay, now coming to our this one, to start APM server, we can use two commands, that is the APM or APM server. Okay, normally we use command prompt APM, and we never use the APM server. Okay, so what happened, say when I run this one, just run the command prompt, and normally we used to run the APM server by using just type APM here. Okay, so no need of adding the server sub command here. Okay, so in this case what happened, if I not add this server sub command, what happened, automatically the APM will interprets this as user request to run the APM server. Okay, automatically it will add the APM server in the background. Okay, and this is the way to start the APM server, and already you know it. Okay, and just I am using typing the APM here. Okay, and Control C to close it. Now I will type the APM with APM, and I will type the server sub command. Okay, the same thing it will do it as you did for a APM. So it will start the APM server. Okay, so you can start the APM server by using just by typing APM or just typing the APM space server. So both works as like same. Okay, this is simple. Now, now CLS. The next one is the version. Okay, there is a list of arguments used for the information retrieval. Okay, next I want to know the APM version, current APM version here. This APM double hyphen version. So by using this argument, I can able to know the current APM server version. Currently I am using 2.12.1 APM server version. Okay, and I can able to use this one in other way also, APM hyphen V. Okay, so I am using alias here. So same purpose. So I can able to know the APM version by using APM space hyphen double hyphen version, and or I can use alias name. Okay, APM hyphen V. Okay, this is one thing. Okay, and next one I can able to use APM argument extra argument help. So what is help here? Okay, see, if you see this help here, it will print the instructions on using the APM command line. Okay, this argument can be used for any APM sub command. Okay, I want to know what exactly use of this particular argument. Okay, I can use just I can type this one. Okay, with sub command just help. Okay, this is the double hyphen help. I can use alias also hyphen help here. Okay, I'll use it here. So I'll use just double hyphen help. So it will provide all the information. Okay, if we use this argument along with it will print the instructions. Okay, which will help user to use APM command line. Okay, so we have the setup, server, driver, plugin. Okay, so all these things we see in our coming videos, how we can able to use this one. Okay, the next one I just CLS. The next one is, so we have done with the help and version. So help we can able to run like this also by using alias like, that's help h. Okay, that's it. Okay, and already I shown this one, APM double hyphen help. Okay, so this is the way we can able to use appium space double hyphen help, okay, argument. Okay, next one. So these are very important one. We are going to it. This is the one. This is the appium double hyphen so hyphen build hyphen info. Okay, info. See, by using this argument, I can able to print detailed information on the appium server version. Okay, see, the version is 2.12.1 and this is the git full commit id. This is a git full commit id and this is a build information. Okay, by using appium space double hyphen so hyphen build hyphen info, we can able to retrieve the version and build full commit id and the build. Okay, and next one we saw appium double hyphen so hyphen config. Okay, so what it will do? Okay, see, it will print the current appium server configuration details. Okay, so what exactly mean by? So we have two sections in this one. Okay, when you type appium space hyphen so hyphen config, it will have two sections. That is the appium configuration. You get all the npm configuration details. So for defaults, the address, base path, and we have the local time zone, log level, log format, log no colors. So all the informations. So log timestamp. Okay, so all the info port. So what port we are using it. Okay, and shutdown timeout, session override. Okay, so all this information I will fetch by using appium space double hyphen so hyphen config. This is the appium config and from the defaults. And one more section we have, that is the final configuration. So as you know that we can able to change the configuration by using command prompt also. So it says that no configuration file loaded. Okay, in our coming videos we can see how we can able to load the configuration file by using command prompt. So in this case we have not done any configuration file loaded. Okay, so we have already seen the default section and we have the final configuration section. So we not did any changes, so we have the same values as in default. So address and port, we are using default port here, and all the things. So log level, log format, log no colors, log time stamp. So in our coming videos we can see how we can able to change the logs. Okay, and it provide the shutdown timeout, session override, all these things. Okay, and the next one is this is very important one. So I just clear this one. Okay, and the command what I am typing is very important and very useful for us. Okay, appium space double hyphen so hyphen debug hyphen info. So before running this command, what exactly the use of this one? Okay, the use of this one is, if you run this command, okay, with this option, it will print the information of the current environment details and details about the OS operating system and Node.js and appium details. Complete details I'll get it. This is a very useful argument with appium. Okay, and when I run this one, you can see all the information displays. Okay, here it shows. So if I use this one, it print information on the current environment, details about the operating system, Node.js and appium. Okay, so coming back to our command prompt here. So I'll run this one, appium space double hyphen so hyphen debug hyphen info. So it will print lot of information. So I'll go back here. So I move up here. Some information I cannot show because I cannot move. You have some more information above. Okay, so I cannot move to above because it will be security issue. So lot of information it will show the first part. Okay, it will show the environment setup paths, that is Java home, Jenkins home, Maven home. All this information will display, and it will display the user details, and it display the operating system OS details, everything display. So if you run this one, you just see. Okay, but for security reasons I cannot able to move here. Okay, so so uh, except this um, environment details and the OS details, remaining details we will see. So here npm, right, you see the location of the npm. Okay, and the version of npm currently I'm using it, and the appium, you see the appium, the location of appium where I have installed it here. Okay, and the home directory and build, which build I am using it here. Okay, and these two information will be handy when I'm running the appium server programmatically. So then I had to give this path here. Okay, with additional details I need to provide. Okay, so these details I'll get it from here. And the drivers, so the drivers, what drivers I have used here, see, XUI test, the package name, the version, install type, install specification, installation path also. So you can know all this, the appium version. Okay, automation name, so every and platform. Okay, so all this information, so, and the schema. Okay, all the information it provides us. Okay, this is regarding the drivers, and we have the doctor also. So what are the information regarding the doctor, appium doctor? And you see the previously we have seen the XUID test information, driver information, and you can see in this section we have the UI automated to driver information, the package name, the version, what currently I'm using, the installation type, installation space, the installation path, appium version, and automation name, platform name. Okay, and same thing we have doctor also, checks, doctor checks, and chromium, the this driver I installed is a package name, version, installation type, specification, installation path, appium version here, automation name, and platform names. Okay, all the information. And you have plugins information also, so appium reporter plugin, so package name, version, so all the information where you have installed it, a path, and images also installed here. Okay, so this all information will retrieve by using the so appium. Say once again I'll type it here, appium space double hyphen so hyphen debug hyphen info. Okay, if I run this command, it will display all the information, the same information what I explained here. Okay, so this is the use of, okay, this is the use of, so this is the use of the list of arguments used for information retrieval. Okay, so try to use this arguments with your appium server. You can see it provides a lot of information which will be used for our automation activities. Okay, okay, and if you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe to my channel, and please share the information. Okay, and thanks for watching. Keep learning and happy learning. Bye. Thank you.